If you want to come to Canada, most Canada immigration visas require proof of language test either in English or French. Before 2018, IELTS used to be the only option you had for an English language test. But now, CELPIP is another English test that is also accepted for Canada immigration and citizenship. CELPIP सिर्फ Canada immigration के लिए applicable है, ये कहीं और use नहीं होगा. So many people keep on asking, which test is best for Canada immigration, CELPIP or IELTS? In today's video of Canadian Nest, we will be discussing which one is easier, cheaper and better for you. So watch this video till end and do subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, as you will be missing great upcoming videos. So let's begin comparing IELTS and CELPIP.
CELPIP versus IELTS. CELPIP and IELTS both are English language assessment tools, and CELPIP stands for Canadian English Language Proficiency Index Program, whereas IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. So both are there to test your English skills only. There are two types of exam. First one is CELPIP General. It evaluates your speaking, reading, writing and listening. It's mainly for PR applicants. The second one is CELPIP LS. It evaluates your English listening and speaking skills only. It's mainly for citizenship applications by IRCC. On the other hand, IELTS also have two tests for language assessment. The first one is General IELTS. It evaluates your speaking, reading, writing and listening. It's also mainly for PR applicants. The second one is Academic IELTS. It evaluates your speaking, reading, writing and listening. It's mainly for study at undergraduate or postgraduate level. Location. As of May 2020, CELPIP is available in 6 countries: Canada, India, Philippines, UAE, US and China. In India, it's currently available at 2 places only, Delhi and Chandigarh. As far as IELTS is concerned, it's available in 140 countries and territories. In India, multiple locations are there available in North, South, East and West India. So you can book it from anywhere. Recognition by countries. CELPIP test is exclusively available for Canada, whereas IELTS is recognized by universities and employers in many countries including Australia, Canada, Ireland, New Zealand, UK and USA. Time and duration. For CELPIP General, this test takes place in one sitting, so there is no separate speaking session. In one sitting it will be done. It's a 3 hours total duration test. CELPIP General LS exam, it is also conducted in one sitting only. It's around 1 hour 10 minutes duration exam. Whereas for IELTS, the academic and general IELTS, it happens in 2 sitting tests, and it's a separate speaking session in IELTS. And the estimate of writing, reading and listening exam total is 2 hours 45 minutes approx. And the time duration is same for both general and academic IELTS. So now coming to the scoring part. CELPIP exam score is known as CELPIP levels. So students are awarded multiple levels here, ranging from M3, 4 till 12, 12 being the topmost level. Level M means it's a minimum proficiency, and level 12 means you are advanced proficiency in your workplace and community. For IELTS, the scores are calculated as bands. You will be given a band score ranging from 1 to 9, 9 being the highest. For each section, listening, reading, writing and speaking. Band 1 means user has no ability to use the language without the possibility of using a few isolated words only. Band 9 means user has full operational command of the language. For the result part, CELPIP scores are available online in 4 to 5 calendar days. If you pay extra for express rating, you can get results in 3 days also. You can download a PDF copy of your CELPIP official score of report from your CELPIP account. For IELTS, you can view your results after 13 days of exam, if it's a paper pencil based exam. If you have taken a computer delivered test, your results will be available between 5 to 7 days after your test. So now coming to the validity of CELPIP and IELTS, both the exams are valid for 2 years from the test date. The fee for CELPIP general test is lower in India. It's currently like 10,845 Indian rupees, and whereas the IELTS fees is currently 14,000 rupees. Administered by CELPIP exam is administered by Paragon Testing Enterprises, a subsidiary of the University of British Columbia (UBC). Paragon is the only Canadian company delivering IRCC designated English proficiency tests. IELTS is jointly managed by British Council, IDP IELTS Australia and Cambridge Assessment English. British Council and IDP are the organizations which are conducting IELTS exams.
So these are the advantages CELPIP test has over IELTS. The CELPIP test format is more modern because it is taken completely on a computer. You will receive CELPIP results in 8 days compared to 13 days for IELTS. If you pay extra for express rating, you can get the results in 3 days as well. The entire test is completed in one sitting. People with jobs and those who have to travel long distances only have to come to the test center once. Unlike IELTS, CELPIP fee is less than IELTS. It's around 10,850 in India. Advantages of IELTS over CELPIP. As CELPIP is entirely computer based, many people are more comfortable with IELTS paper and pencil test who are not proficient at using computers. Some people also prefer the test being split over 2 days, and it gives you a chance to relax and prepare. Also, people who think they may struggle with the speaking and listening parts of the test may prefer IELTS over CELPIP. Preparation material for IELTS is available in bulk as compared to CELPIP as it's comparatively new. So is CELPIP harder than IELTS? CELPIP is said to have a slightly longer listening and speaking section than IELTS. So in that section, it's little harder than IELTS, I could say. So at the end, I would like to say CELPIP and IELTS both are great choices for candidates. To choose between CELPIP and IELTS, start by giving some sample tests. You will understand how both tests are conducted and what are their formats. Go with the one which you are more comfortable with. So prepare well, choose the right one as per your convenience and get your desired results. कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख के बताएं आप कौन सा टेस्ट देना चाहेंगे. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं CELPIP पे एक डिटेल में वीडियो बनाऊं तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें और कमेंट सेक्शन में अपना फीडबैक लिख के बताएं. ऐसी और वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दें ताकि आपको सब नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहें. धन्यवाद.